Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of Python tutorial, today I'll talk about Python variable. Then there is the first question, what is Python variable? In Python, a variable is a named location in memory that stores a value. You can think variable as a container that holds data such as number, strings or more complex object. To create a variable, you simply assign a value it using the assignment operator. Also, you can access the value stored in a variable by simply using its name. In order to Python variable execution will use PyCharm IDE. You can use any other IDE. Here is my PyCharm IDE and here is a project already been created. So those who are new in PyCharm IDE and how to create a project, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can watch from there. So first select the project and right click, then click new, then go to Python file. Thereafter, you need to write your Python file name. Here is my file name is variable example. Then hit enter from keyboard. Here is file created. We need to type our code over here. So first thing, anything you need to declare as a variable. Let's say a equal to 20. This one is a variable. Then also you can declare a variable name equal to, let's say, John. Now we can take that variable like this way, print a. Also you can print name. So if we run this program, console will print a variable value as 20 and name equal to John. Right click, run variable example. You see it is printed 20 and it is printed John. In this way, you can declare a variable and you can use that variable. Also, there is another thing. Let's say I can declare another variable name equal to Smith. So first variable name declaration, we put single quote. Second variable, we enter the double quote. In Python, both are allowed. You can use single quote or double quote for any string. It will work out. In this way, you can declare those variables. Let's go for another thing. Let's say a equal to 20. We'll declare another variable b equal to 15.0. This means here is 3 variable declaration. Now we can print that one too. Print b. So those 3 variable. Now we can run this. Run variable example. You see all are printed. A is 20, B is 15.0, there is John. In other programming language, if you declare a variable, then you need to declare data type, like what is that type. In Python, there is no need to declare variable type. Python automatically pick based on data what is variable for that. So let's say we want to know what is the variable type, data type for those variable, then we can use type function. Let's say type type. We can do type. Also in the name, we can do type function over here also. Then if you run this, right click, run variable example. You see, first class integer, that means a equal to 20, it is an integer value, it printed accordingly. 15.0, it's a float number, it is printed as a float. Third one is the John, it is a string, it is printed as a string. So in this way, you need to know with the type function what is the variable type. Thereafter, you can do casting also. If you can change the variable type, let's say we declared a variable a, then we can do float 20. Now, if you run this program, right click, run variable example, you see the first one is also float because we did the casting float to 20. Similar way, second one B we can change integer, then we can run as variable example. You see the second one now printed integer. Though we declare 15.0, but we converted to integer, like we casted that one. That's way you can utilize the variable, and also you need to know what is the variable data type. So now Python variable declaration has some sort of rule. Those rules are like this. So first rule is variable name must start with letter A to G or underscore and cannot start with number. Three things. A to G, your variable must be or underscore and cannot start with a number. So let's see how it goes. So first thing, let's say we are declaring a variable first car equal to, let's say, Honda. Then I might have second car. So we can declare a variable like that, second car equal to Toyota. You see now it is a red mark. It is throwing an error because you cannot use number at the starting point. So it will not allow. Then only thing A to Z or underscore you can start with a variable name. So if we do the underscore in front of that, then you see error is gone, second car, Toyota. That means variable only can start with A to Z or underscore, you cannot use the number. So second rule, variable name only contain alphanumeric and underscore, A to Z 0 to 9 and underscore. Only thing variable name. Let's say I'm declaring my car is a variable, my car equal to Honda again. So this variable declaration is correct because it is only containing letter, right? Alphanumeric it can be. So now if we declare my variable name, my car 2 equal to Toyota. So now it is also correct. My car 2 equal to Toyota. Also, now variable name only contain alphanumeric and underscore. And also we can do same thing as a my underscore car 2. So that means it is also correct, but you cannot use like other character, let's say hyphen. You see it is throwing error. Also you cannot do space, it will throw error. That means variable name only contain alphanumeric and underscore. Otherwise you cannot declare a variable in Python. If you declare, that will throw an error. So that then variable name cannot be Python keyword. Python has lot of keyword like if else, while keyword, and also many more keyword in Python. You can use those keyword as a Python variable like this. Let's say for equal to 20. It will throw an error because it is a keyword for Python. If you do like underscore for, it will be okay. So variable name definitely you should not use as a Python keyword. Like if you declare if, it will throw an error. Any keyword if you declare as a Python variable, it will throw an error. So underscore if, it is okay, something like that. Variable name, then next rule is the variable name are case sensitive. Case sensitive means let's say my car equal to, let's say, Kia. Now if you declare another variable like my car equal to Honda. So that means both spelling are correct. My car and also my car. Both are correct. But it is both are same as a spelling. But here is one C is capital. Here is C is not capital. So as it is a case sensitive, if it is a uppercase lowercase mismatch, then variable will be the different, like this way. If you print those two variable, print my car and also print my car. So if you run this, right click, run variable example, you see Kia and Honda both are printed differently. That means it is a case sensitive. So be careful when you will declare a variable. If it is the same name, it will be different variable. If it is a case, different case like uppercase, lowercase. Multi-word variable you can declare many different way in Python. Let's say my city name equal to New York. So this is a multi-word, my city name. This my city name, it is a camel casing. First word is a small letter, then every word first letter is capital. This is a camel casing. You can do that way. Also you can do my city name. All word first letter is a capital. You can do that way too. Equal to NYC. Also you can declare another way. Let's say my underscore city underscore name. Differentiate with the underscore. Let's say Dallas. That means if your variable contains multiple words, you can follow any of those rules. So in this way, you can declare your multi-word variable. Now, multiple value in a variable. Let's say we have a variable called car equal to, let's say Honda, Kia, let's say MB, Mercedes-Benz. Three variable. Within one variable, it has a three value. Now you can access those variable like this way. Let's say x, comma, y, comma, z equal to car. Now you can print this value like this way. Let's say print y. So if you run this, it will print your Kia. You see it is printed Kia. In this way, you can extract the multiple value in a variable. Also, you can declare another way. Let's say x, comma, y, comma, z equal to, let me copy from here, Control C, Control V. Let me delete those things. Let me do the print, Control print from here. So now we can extract the value from like this way. If there is a multiple value in a variable, then right click, run as example variable. Y will extract as a Kia, you see. In this way, you can do multiple value in a variable. So that's all for today's tutorial for Python variable. If you think this is helpful for Python tutorial, so please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.